Hello and welcome to a new episode of Tora School Online. The spring is way early this year and so it is hard to keep with all the work needed in this season. But here is another project. Scots pine Yamadori collected some 10 years ago and it was not touched since then, so this will be the first styling of this tree. As you can see, the candles are starting to grow, so we catch the last moment for work on this tree. And since it is already so many years in the pot, it is alright to do the styling. So, styling. Maybe it looks like there is many options, but let us analyze the tree closely. Great Nebari doesn't allow much changing the front and the inclination, and the branches are long and the green is far away from the trunk. So my plan is to cut all the branches that are too long and make the tree as compact as I can. In order to achieve that, I will start with cutting the branches which I'm sure that I will not use them in the final design, like this one, which is really long and leggy. And I'm also sure that I won't need this one, so let's cut off also this branch. And now I will also cut this greenery here, and I will left on the tree only this small branch, which might be used in the final design or maybe not, I don't know yet. Now the tree is already much more compact than it was at the beginning, so let us wire the beast. Meanwhile, I attended the Austrian National Exhibition in St. Veit. Here are some glimpses. This composition with my Prunus Mahaleb won the prize among the big trees. Thanks to organizers. Thanks also to all of you who already supported our channel in the past. You are invited to support us also in the future. So please click the thanks button below. It is just crazy, this weather. Yesterday we had 30 degrees and now it is snowing. Now the upper part of the tree. First I will bend this branch into this position here somewhere. For this I will use some raffia and the thickest wire I have. And then I will also style the very top of the tree. I will create the top out of this branch. I will arrange secondary branches around to create a nice round top. At the end, I didn't use this branch. So this is the result of first styling on this spine. The top must fill up a little bit, but this is no problem. Otherwise, everything went according to the plan. So with this great journey, exhibitions, snowstorms and transformation, we reached the end of this video. See you all in the next one.